we had a group here right in the front, and I think a lot of the themes that we heard, we have some similar stuff. Bill, for instance, you know, the organizations, how to get support. We had the benefit of having a relatively young person in the group, and so we got a lot of great ideas there. And the point from them is that the systems thinking is obvious to the younger generation. It's like, you know, what's the big deal? They get it. They're being obstructed by the different forces, like, you know, in the organizations and in the corporations, not getting support. So they're at risk of getting disillusioned. And then you have other things pointed out, which is these external measures like Wall Street type measures, the city type measures that are not really supportive. So the question was, how can people not be obstructed and disillusioned? And so we had some discussion around that, maybe case studies, lots of initiatives going on. And then there was some discussion around some different ways to do it, like the web technologies. YouTube is the second most searched site of all the sites, and of course they're owned by Google. Video has huge power. Social media, Jay Lee is working on this LinkedIn thing. There's other types of social media where you get conversations going, dialogue. So there's a role there for the social media. And then there's also some legacy structures. There's the model like what the quality movement has done with the Baldrige Award. There's some things maybe systems thinking can use to adopt and really get some more support around that, communicating and building credibility for it. And then we also had some discussion. Vidar Dable is doing some work on dashboards and some work with the UN and looking at how you can show where you are today and gaming and modeling. So you can say, if we did this, what would happen? And one of the examples we talked about was the environment and like carbon dioxide in the air. If you did different things with energy, what could happen? And so he was saying you could not only have this on the web, but you could do this in museums where people could come in and they could model and they could try different things, or they could create their own dashboards and show some things. So that was just some of the ideas we had around promoting systems thinking. Thank you.